School Administrator, Ma'am Marcella Senyo, our loving parents, supportive teachers, important guests, and to everyone here, a pleasant morning to all. My name is Avril Gray Niclau Cabos, speaking on behalf of Liberty Garden. Liberty Garden Academy. Kindergarten graduates of batch 2022 to 2023. Today is a special day as we graduate from kindergarten. We had so much fun learning in the past 10 months. It's like we're little seeds growing in a garden. Now we become smart fruits. Smart fruits. Our smart fruits. Our friendship is what makes this life so beautiful. I want to thank our amazing teachers for teaching us and being patient with us. You've inspired us to be better and to do things outside of our comfort zone. Your love and attention during classes are what we miss the most. And to our loving parents, thank you for everything you do for us. I would like to thank my mom, my dad, my siblings, my family, and everyone who has supported me in this school journey of academic excellence. I promise to do my best always because of you. I love you so much. To my fellow graduates, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. We did it. We made friends and shared so many happy moments together. As we say goodbye, we may feel sad, but let's remember the special time forever. Before I end, I would like to publicly declare my love and acceptance of Jesus Christ, our Savior. In my life, I know without Him, I am nothing. Once again, congratulations everyone. Thank you and may God bless